locator. Are you seeing it now? So the web hosting is whereby an information system where documents and other resources are identified by a uniform resource locator. So when you host your website, you're actually buying a plot of land where that your domain name, that your information, those files of your website will be stored. Just like the example on the screen. If you look at the right hand side, you see a piece of land. Yes, that is what the meaning of a web hosting. You're actually occupying a particular space in that land where you want to build your house. So this land is very big. Other persons are coming to buy from this land. Now you want to build your house. Where are you going to put your house? So you go to this place, buy a piece of land, and build your house. So the same thing. All these are documents, your company's files. Where are you going to store them in the World Wide Web? That place is called hosting. So when you host your site, you're actually buying a space on that so-called www where your files can be accessed all over in the world. I guess that is clear. So we'll be going to the next. The next is various types of domain. If you remember, last time I told you what is a domain. I told you a domain name is the name of your organization, the name of your company. Now we have different types of domain, and I'm going to be telling you how to use this type of domain. Now, what if a client walk up to you and tell you, hey, I need your services, I want to design a company website, I want to design a website for my charity organization. Now, what type of domain do you get for those type of clients? I'm going to be telling you so that you know the meaning of these domain names. Now, this domain are .com. The commonly used ones are .com, .org, .gov, .edu, .net, .mil. Now the first one, .com, is used for commercial businesses. Yes, you know the word meaning commercial means you are using it for to enhance your businesses, where people can come and option you for your services, you render services to people. Yes, now as a business owner, you use .com website as far as you're using to generate money. So you are going to be using it as a commercial business domain name. Take for example the jmulticomset.com. Yes, we are a digital marketing firm. So what type of domain do we need? The .com domain name. That is the type of domain name that, as far as you are using it for your business, for a particular business, you know the meaning of business. Business is when you are earning profit, you are you are making profits on a daily basis, or you are making profits when rendering your services. That is the .com domain name. The next is .org, which is for organization, typically non-profit organization, like NGOs, non-governmental organizations, like NGOs, like charity organization websites. Yes, those type of websites carry .org. Any organization that is typically non-profit organization, they carry the .org domain name. The next is .gov. These are for government agencies alone. So you cannot use it to create any individual website. It is mainly for government agencies. Any government parastatal, they are the ones that are using the .gov domain name. The next is .edu. .edu is for any educational institution, like the universities, polytechnics, secondary, anything educational institution. Those are the people that use the .edu. Imagine me, J Multicomset, digital marketing firm. I can't be using the edu, because my firm is not targeted in educational sector or the educational form. So what am I going to do? When you want to create a website for any school, you use the .edu domain name. The next is the network, the .net. That is for network organization like MTN, Glo, Airtel. Yes, as far as you are doing a social networking stuff, you use the .net organization domain. The last but not the least is the .mil. This is for military. So you know what it means, military. So you know the kind of persons that needs it. So yes, that is it. So we are going to be teaching you all this, how to design all these different type of website. A company website, which is a commercial website, an NGO website, which is .org. We are going to teach you how to create all these websites. We are also going to teach you how to create a blog site. Yes, that is a blog site. We're going to be teaching you how to create a blog site. Take note, this is the JMC Youth Empowerment Program, free 6 weeks online training on web and graphics design. This training is powered by J Multicomset Agency. If you check down on this flyer, you will see the benefits of the web design class. You are going to learn a blog site, an NGO website, a company website, an e-commerce website like the Jumia.com website. I'm going to teach you how to create what web mails like info@jmulticomcept.com, not like your regular at gmail.com or at yahoo.com. We're also going to teach you how to buy a domain name, how to buy security on that domain name, and how to host the what that's your domain name. We are going to teach you how to host your site, everything. We're also going to teach you how to set up a YouTube account for monetization. The next is what the graphic design class. You are going to be taught how to create a 3D logo. If you go to Facebook, any company now, you see 3D logo everywhere. We're going to teach you how to do it. We're going to teach you how to design company letterheads. We're going to teach you how to create posters, flyers for any event, complimentary cards, identity cards, ID, banners for adverts and campaigns, notes. We are going to be teaching you all this using your Android phone, which is the Pixel Lab application, and the computer system. Is that not a great news, guys? Yes, that is a great news. So I want you to click on the links, subscribe to the class. This is just the first video. When we come back next, we are going to be giving you the second video when we are going to be starting our class proper. We are going to tell you how to purchase your domain name. We are going to take you to the market on how you can get your domain name and start editing your website. But as first, we are going to be teaching you how to create web mails and how to create what an NGO website. A blog site is the first, so we are going to follow our course outline. The blog site, we're going to teach you how to create the blog site before the NGO website, before the company and the e-commerce website. So I want you guys to click on the link and see you guys in the class.